Okay, it's time for drama on Gagasi FM in the morning, this 26th day of December in the year of the Lord 2025. Wena wongenzinjani?
Oh my word. You're probably wondering why am I panicking. It's because each and every single one of these scenarios come through and they stress the living guts out of me. Today, Felix, you're about to do the very same thing to the whole entire province.
Yep.
Give us only two options. Wena wongenzinjani. Felix, okay, fine. We're ready for you.
Okay. So, you're about to get married.
Oh, lovely. Okay.
And then your ex shows up and says, listen, you are such a good person.
Oh, okay.
I fumbled you.
Oh.
I made a mistake. I've matured and grown. I realize. I wish you the best in your marriage.
Oh, okay.
And as a token of my gratitude,
Okay.
here is a Land Rover autobiography worth 3 million.
Unamaga, we.
Yeah.
A gift.
Yeah, and your husband today, Subi, catches wind of this.
Okay.
And decides, he puts his foot on the ground and says, no can do. Return it or there's no wedding.
Mbusali moto noma sashati.
Busela i-wedding, imoto le, noma ke umshado uphelile.
Omeka ncaneke. Ubhuti lo ex uyarealize uthi ngiyabonga. Hayi ukuthi ngikufuna back ngiyabonga.
No.
Na imoto.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
3 million.
3 million imoto.
Yes, Land Rover.
Sure, okay, bafo.
Autobiography. Yeah.
And then love of my life ethi lalela ke sithando sami.
Yeah.
Le over my dead body.
Yeah.
Busela noma shadi.
Fikwazi ukuthi wena wongenzinjani.
Hectic. What's on the stuff with Felix?
Ozaki. Wena wongenzinjani.
Oh, so if you are a man, it's the reverse. A woman
100%.
says, hey, thank you for being a lovely partner. Na imoto 3 million. Umfazi wakho bese ethi, we're not getting married, return the car.
And then nago Sne FNB.
Sne, oh.
Sne was FNB, bad combination.
Hey, Njani.
Combination.
Oh, I love your voice.
Sne was a Maritzburg. We must. His sauce. One sauce. Straight from the factory.
Let's hear what she's going to do. Predict first before she tells us.
Predicts.
If
it couldn't Sne was a Lamontua Sabek. I was a Maritzburg. We have master level. This is master level. Yabolo angakwazi ukuthi atshela umkhwenyana lo wakhe ukuthi nawe nawe ethenge inkompiti engaphezulu.
Ayithenge. Sne, is this true?
Ninjani.
Felix Thando, how are you?
Siyaphila. Yazi nje mina into engayenza if uhusband mhlawumbe eqaqile ngamtshela ukuthi akuthina sithathe sidayise. Vele ama damages awenza uex angithi uyakhokha njengamanje. If mhlawumbe ngaba vele ngimove on ngithi no husband to create my memories.
Ama damages, most of the damages. Uthanga ama damages, what damage.
Ube ex ngobe endamage so akakhokhe 3 million size. Husband if engathandi then ke move on to create my memories. Ngiyayeka imoto ka ex.
Nemali.
Mhlawumbe husband uzongishaya 5 million ngaziba.
Ngiyamcela Sne oqotho.